Our showing activity is up 9.2% week over week as more inventory comes to the market. It's Friday, November 3rd, 2023, and this is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Median listing prices are also up 4% week over week, and days on the market fell by 1. There are 1,444 homes for sale on the shore, another rise from last week. 82 properties are coming soon for sale, fewer than last week. 230 came to the market since last week, up week over week. 97 went under contract, a rise from last week. 91 moved to pending, also a rise from last week. 184 sold at 98% list to sold ratio, and days before contract are at 20 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in East End for $2,700,000. Available rentals are the same as last week, 117, at the median price, which rose to $2,000 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, November 3rd, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week.